Today I want to go through two things which are super important to understand about Amazon sourcing. And these two things would effectively stop you from selling. So they're really important just to understand, because when you're starting out in Amazon, many people make the mistake of not realizing these two things, and as a result they go out and spend hundreds of pounds, maybe thousands of pounds on stock, and they can't actually sell them. So what I want to go through today are two things which are super important, and these are restrictions, brand restrictions or gated categories, and then secondly, hazmat, items that are hazardous that you cannot ship through Amazon FBA. But before I go through them, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Thomas Parkinson, and I run the Amazon lead service or arbitrage lead service in the UK, FastTrackFBA. Now, we have a team of sourcers who go out every single day of the week who find Amazon arbitrage deals, and we show you all of them. Every single deal we find, we show you, and then you get to pick and choose the ones that suit your business, and then obviously you can grow your business with the leads that we provide. I also, in addition to running FastTrackFBA, I also am an Amazon seller for 3 years, and I've been doing 6 figures every single year. And part of these videos are about giving back, sharing my knowledge with people who are starting out on Amazon. So hopefully you're not going to make the same mistakes that I made, and obviously you can get fast track in your Amazon business. So let's get started. Right, what I'm talking about today is, should we say, two things. Number one is looking at gated or brand restriction or category restrictions, and then number two is looking at hazardous. So hazardous products that you can't ship and sell on Amazon as an FBA seller. So let's get started. Right, what I want to come into is, and I'm just going to show you here some a good example, is say in my business right now, while we're selling 6 figures and ungated in many different categories, there are still certain brands that I cannot sell. Even if I get them from authorized distribution, from everything, I cannot sell these on the Amazon platform, because certain products or certain brands require either authorization from Amazon to allow me to sell it, or from the brand themselves, i.e. I get a letter from the brand and they say, yes, Thomas's brand or Thomas's company can sell this on Amazon, this brand. And a very good example, and probably one that we all know, is Apple. Apple are super selective about who they allow to sell their product, and unfortunately for me, I cannot sell that product. But what I want to show you now is two ways, or a way you can check this for free, manually, and it does take a bit of a pain, but you do need to do it regardless for every single deal that you find. So one of the two checks you always need to do once you've found a deal that you like and you want to buy. So I'm going to show you now is this check is checking to see whether we can sell the product. Now what I'm going to do is just come in, and this product here I know I can't sell, but I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to get the ASIN. Oh, let me just scroll up, because I haven't actually got it yet. Oh, actually the ASIN isn't there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the ASIN out of the URL. So up the top you can grab the ASIN out of the URL, and then what I'm going to do is come over to Amazon Seller Central, and under category, add products, you can go into here and just put in the product that you want to add. So this is the method that you'd be using to list a product in future once you've got your product. So you're going to click search, and what it's going to do is it's going to show up the result of the product. Great, that's the product that I want to sell, not a problem. Listings limitations apply. Okay, let's click on this. It says here, this product has other limitations, and you are not approved to list this product with this brand. Please contact the brand owner to become the authorized seller of this brand on Amazon. Now, sometimes you might see a box, a little yellow box that says, get ungated or get authorized now, open this brand. But for me, I know this brand, I cannot sell at all, and they just say, no, Tom, you cannot sell this product. So for me, even if I had the best deal whereby I could buy them for £1, I still could not sell them on the Amazon platform. Now, you'd have to do that for every single product that you want to buy to double check that you can actually sell it. If you can sell the product, and let's go find a product that I can sell. So I'm going to come back now and just go Lego, and I know I can sell this Lego product. So again, I'm just going to scroll down. I'm going to get the ASIN. Wait for that to load. I'm going to get the ASIN for this product. I'll copy that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back here and then just paste that ASIN in here. And what I can see, listing limitations apply, and then it says new, sell yours. And because I can see that sell yours button, means that I can now sell that product and there's no restrictions on me selling it. So I'm quite happy about that. So that means I can sell this Lego product, but I know that I can't sell the Amazon or the Apple product on the Amazon platform. So that's number one, looking at products which are brand restricted, which are, should we say, you cannot sell, or maybe they might be brand restricted or they might be category restricted. And what I'll do is I'll drop a link to an article down below about how you can get yourself ungated. But this is really useful just to understand that when you're finding a product or a deal that you really like, you need to check this, because it doesn't matter how good the deal is, if Amazon doesn't let you sell on their platform or sell this product on their platform, you cannot sell it regardless. So the next thing I want to look at, and I'll move over to here, is, oh, actually I'll come back, sorry. Now you can do this manually through doing that check. For example, you can take the ASIN and try and sell it, or you can use a tool like FBA Multi-Tool, and what that does is it does that check for you automatically. And what it does is right here, it says eligible to sell, yes, which makes it really simple. And if I go back, and we're going to go back now to the Apple product, and if I go back again, what you're going to see now is FBA Multi-Tool load up, and it'll say eligible to sell, no. So it means I cannot sell that. And if I wanted to, I can click on the no, and it's going to take me straight to this page where it comes up and says all product listings, and says can I sell it. Now this isn't a product that I can sell. So, well, interesting, it does say sell yours there, but if I UPC, if I take this ASIN and click there, search, listing limitations apply, there you go, saying I cannot sell this product. So that's just to be aware that this tool does it for you. It allows you to make that check without having to do it yourself. Now for the second thing I want to talk about is called hazmat, hazardous products. Now these are products that, due to, should we say, EU requirements, law, you are not actually allowed to ship within, should we say, Royal Mail or general shipping. They might be things which are explosive, dangerous, they might have magnets, batteries, here we've got chemicals, so bleach. Now Amazon has a big list of the products that you can't sell, and it generally restricts them by ASIN. So every single product you've got you want to sell, you're going to need to check for this hazardous. Now straight away I'm just going to tell you, if you're using a tool like FBA Multi-Tool, you can see here straight away it shows you this is a hazardous restricted product. So I'm going to know that even if it's a great deal, I cannot sell it, it's pointless, I'm not even going to start doing the analysis. But if I did do the analysis beforehand and I liked it, and I was doing this without a tool like FBA Multi-Tool, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to do the manual check. So let's go through that and show you where you're going to find that problem. So straight away, let's come down and let's get the ASIN of this product. Voila. Copy that ASIN. Now again, we're going to come back to add product, and I'm going to just drop this product in. So voila, listing limitations apply, but I can sell it. So let's click sell yours. It's going to ask me to create a SKU. Now I'm just going to write test 123, so I'm going to create a SKU, and I'm just going to put in a price of £50. And then I'm going to say Amazon will dispatch this thing, and provide customer service. And the reason is I'm doing FBA. So generally for the majority of OA people, or online arbitrage, or doing arbitrage, you're going to be doing FBA. So for here, this is going to say, look, I'm going to sell it for £50. I'm not actually going to sell it, but we're just going to create a listing and try and send a shipment in. So let's click save and finish. Okay, and here we've now got the product that we've just listed or just created a SKU for in our pack. So you can see here I've got the merchant SKU, the title, and the barcode, and I'm happy that it's just saying barcode type, how we're going to label it. So just going to click continue. And then it comes across convert to fulfilled by Amazon, and what I'm going to do is here click dangerous goods information. Now just for the sake of this, I'm going to say there are no problems. I'm going to say no, there's not a problem. So no, there's no issues, i.e. like dangerous material. There is, but I'm just going to say no for the moment. I'm going to click submit, and then I'm going to click save and continue. And then what's going to happen is now this product is going to flag up, and it's going to say here, warning, this is hazardous material. It's dangerous, and you are not approved to sell dangerous goods via the FBA Dangerous Goods Program. So basically, I cannot ship this product into Amazon, and I cannot sell it via FBA. I can only sell it via fulfillment by merchant, i.e. I ship it from my house to the customer, not through Amazon's warehouses. And for you, when you're looking at your Amazon business, when you're sourcing products, you spend so long looking at products, and you're so like, yes, I found something, and you want to buy it and you want to get it sold, that a lot of people miss these last two checks. That they miss the fact that, number one, are you actually able to sell it? And then number two, can you sell it? Because is it a hazmat product or is it not hazmat? And if it isn't, you can sell it, but if it is, you can't. So for you and your Amazon business, when you're doing your checks, when you're doing your sourcing, you found a great profit, a great ROI, a great sales one, the final thing you need to really be checking on is, can I sell this product? And is it hazardous? And if the answer is yes to selling and no to hazardous, i.e. it's not hazardous, then you can sell that product, that's fine. So hopefully you found this information useful in your Amazon business. And like I said before, I'm sharing lots of the tips and tricks that I've learned throughout my 3 years selling on the Amazon platform with you to help you get better or get faster and quicker at your sourcing. And if you like this kind of information, give me a thumbs up. And if there's any questions, any comments, maybe there's something that I didn't go through quick or well enough in enough detail, or maybe you've got some questions you want to ask me, feel free to drop them in the comments down below. And finally, if you're watching this on the YouTube replay, be sure to click subscribe, because hey, that means you get the information that I release in videos as quick as possible. The moment it comes out, you can watch that and help grow your Amazon business to new heights. But for me, Thomas Parkinson at FastTrackFBA, thank you very much.